All right, and we have some news just coming in. This is the crucial Vinesh Fogart medal hearing, which is to happen at 5:30 p.m. today. India Today accesses exclusive details of Vinesh's case registered with ad hoc division with the sports court. Verdict expected before Sunday, ahead of the closing ceremony, is what we know. So the verdict is going to be pronounced before Sunday. Sunday, remember, is the closing ceremony of the Paris Olympics, and the matter is in the sports court, wherein Vinesh Fogart has appealed to the court, saying that she at least deserves to take the silver medal home. That is the plea before the court, because before the semi-finals were played, Vinesh indeed was under the category of weight which she was supposed to be in, and that there was no violation there. Vinesh's matter is going to be heard at 5:30 is what we know, and the verdict is going to be before the closing ceremony of the Paris Olympics, which is on Sunday. India Today has access exclusive details of Vinesh's case, where the case, remember, has been registered with ad hoc division with the sports court there. The verdict is expected before Sunday, ahead of the closing ceremony of Paris Olympics. The crucial medal hearing at 5:30 p.m. today before the court. The case registered with the ad hoc division with the sports court, which is to give its verdict. An observation, like Nalini also was telling us earlier, about this entire matter, and this is going to be, and rather there is going to be clarity on Sunday or before Sunday. Nalini is in fact joining us live right now. Nalini, at around 5:30 p.m. is this the matter is going to be discussed? And also, like you were telling us earlier, there will be no judgment, so to speak, but an observation, I understand. And this is going to be before the closing ceremony, that is on Sunday. Nalini.
Yes, Neha. In fact, instead of a judgment, there's going to be an arbitral award that will be passed, because it is essentially a court of arbitration that is going to be hearing this entire matter. What we're also getting to know from the CAS, that has just issued a press release that we'll also put up on our screen so that the viewers can take a look at it. They've said that at 7:45 p.m. on the 7th of August is when Vinesh Fogart had filed her plea before the CAS, asking for this matter to be looked into. Although they've said that their process is fast, but it's not fast enough to issue orders within 1 hour, because initially what Vinesh Fogart was asking for was that she should be allowed to participate in the final, that there should be a reweighing of her after she's allowed some time, and then she should be allowed to participate in the final bout to get a chance at the gold medal. But because the orders regarding that could not be issued, because there were no urgent interim relief that was sought by her, so there was no hearing that took place urgently, and there were no interim orders that were issued in that regard, which is why she is now asking for the silver medal to be given to her, because she is saying that till the time the silver medal bout had happened, she had crossed all the hurdles and she had also stuck to the weight limit, and she was eligible to participate in the semi-final. So the silver medal should be awarded to her, something that Vinesh Fogart has said. Another very important takeaway that we're getting from this press release is that the hearing will happen today, and the final result of the hearing is expected before the end of the Olympics. So we can expect for the final order, or the arbitral award rather, from the CAS to be pronounced by then. It remains to be seen how the hearing happens, because like we've discussed earlier as well, senior advocate Harish Salve is appearing for the IOA before the COS. So it remains to be seen how the hearing progresses, what kind of questions the panel asks, and more importantly, what will be the final takeaway once the hearing is over before the Court of Arbitration of Sport in Paris.
Right. Nalini, I also want to ask you, if at all this is not in her favor, does she have any other recourse?
Well, yes, Neha, because this is only an ad hoc court of arbitration for sport that is present in the city where the Olympics are happening. If in case this order does not go in her favor, she can appeal against this order, but that is of course something that will take slightly longer for the hearing to happen. So for now, although this decision will be final of the CAS, the ad hoc CAS rather, that has been set up in Paris, but there are legal recourse available to her to even challenge this order, which might take slightly longer to be decided. But there is a possibility that even if right now this order does not come in her favor, then at a later stage of the year, maybe she can expect for her case to go through in an appeal. But that is all speculation at this point, because we cannot speculate what the Court of Arbitration is going to do in this matter. It also remains to be seen as to whether or not there will be any opposition to the claim that is being made by Vinesh Phogat asking for a silver medal, whether any of the authorities from the Olympics are going to oppose to her claim as to whether or not she should be granted a silver medal is going to be another interesting thing to watch out for. There is going to be a panel of arbitrators that are going to be looking into this matter. Like we've told you, that are the top legals of sports from India that have been roped in. We are given to understand that Harish Salve is also appearing for the IOA, and there might be a possibility that Harish Salve, very similar to how he done in the Kulbhushan Jadhav case, where he taken the fees of only ₹1, it might be possible that he is either appearing pro bono or he is charging a minimal fees. We are still waiting for a confirmation on that, but we know that he will be appearing today at 5:30 when the hearing commences, 5:30 IST, that is when the hearing commences. Before the panel, it remains to be seen what happens, and there are legal recourses available to Vinesh Phogat as well, and the Indian Olympic Association, of course, in case the order today does not go completely in her favor.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Nalini, for getting in those details. Nalini Sharma, putting that into perspective as to what are the options before Vinesh Phogat. Vinesh Phogat has filed a plea for a joint silver medal after she was disqualified for being 100 grams overweight in the women's 50-kilogram freestyle category for wrestling. 4 pro bono French lawyers will be representing Vinesh Phogat. Former Solicitor General of India, Harish Salve, is also to appear for the Indian Olympic Association, and Vidushpat Singhania will be part of the case as amicus curiae. The Court of Arbitration, CAS, has accepted Vinesh's plea against her Paris Olympics disqualification. The hearing is going to be held at 5:30 p.m. today. There are chances that the verdict may come today, but in case a judge feels he or she needs to hear more, then there can be another date given in this case.
पूरी आस उम्मीद है जो कोर्ट जो बहुत बढ़िया फैसला हमारे हक में, हमें पूरा विश्वास है, सारे देश 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों को विश्वास है भी हमें जो सिल्वर मेडल, जो हमारी जो पुकार है भी हमें सिल्वर मेडल मिलना चाहिए। तो हो सकता है जो ना हमारे हक में फैसला है, तो सबकी जो भगवान सभी जो ना हमारे 140 करोड़ भारतवासी जो इसका इंतजार करें और इसके लिए भगवान से प्रार्थना करें।